Hi, this is WhatsApp message scheduler, and I'll be walking you through its usage with few words and more action. Start by continue logging with Google, and when you've authenticated, you now have to scan your QR code on your WhatsApp app. You have to link a device on your WhatsApp app to authenticate to the app. It is going to generate the QR code. Then you go to the link device on your WhatsApp on your mobile, and scan the QR. It might, depending on your internet connections, might take a few minutes to initialize the WhatsApp client and log you into the main dashboard area. So you can give it a few seconds. Okay, now we can send messages, schedule message, and see scheduled messages. All your messages here are end-to-end encrypted, and no one has access to your personal information, and your scheduled messages are only private to you. That's why you have to log in with Google. Okay, now you can choose who to send the message to. You either send to a group or an individual. So let's test with an individual, and this is to myself. We'll just say test message, and we could add an image. Just copy an image URL and add, and then send message. This is awesome, and this pop-up shows that the message has been sent successfully. Let us see that. So this is it here. Okay. Next, we could send messages to multiple recipients. We're currently limited to 3 recipients. So let's say I'm sending a message to 2 other numbers, and yeah, that should work. And if you try any other number, see, you have to provide. You have to provide up to 3 phone numbers or group names separated by commas. Okay, awesome. Next, let's go to the main part of the application, which is scheduling a message. You could schedule a message for a group message or individual messages. So let's schedule a message to myself, and this message will be sent every minute. So let us add an image, and let's configure our cron, our scheduler, to send a message every minute. You can do that for hour, hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, and even customize. If you're very good at cron expressions, you can customize the expression here. But yeah, so let's do that for every minute, and we schedule the message. Okay, successful. If you check scheduled jobs, you can now see the message that you have scheduled. So currently the time is 2:04 a.m. By 2:05 a.m., this message will be sent to my to this particular number, which is myself. Okay, let us try it for group. Yeah, this is a group here. Sending message to the group, and we might add the same image. Yeah, and also do that for every minute, and that works too. Okay. Now you can see the last message has sent. Yes, this message was sent every minute, and it has also, you can see that it's 2:05, and now the next message will be sent by 2:06. Same thing here. Now you can also delete the messages, but you should be mindful that this action is permanent and cannot be undone. So click on delete, and that deletes. You can delete the action easily, and that is deleted. All right, so that's the basic functionality of the app. There is a limit rate for now, so you can only send or schedule 5 messages a day, and we are going to increase that with time based on usage. So yeah, thank you very much. This is the app. You can log out from your Google if you don't use it anymore, and you're back to the home screen. All right, and you can always log out from your WhatsApp, so you decline to be disconnected. So tell me what you think about it, and yeah, thanks.